Today, I am going camping by myself in the middle of a thunderstorm. I'm here! Okay, I am here at Kissimmee Prairie Reserve by my lonesome. I just drove through some super hard rain. But so far, right now, it is dry. But I think the rain is coming up this way, so I'm going to try to get to my campsite as quickly as possible so I can get my tent set up without getting too wet. It's not that bad. But no, it is. It's going to be rough. Alright, I just finished making the tent and the top is starting to come down now, so update. So it wasn't raining this hard like 30 minutes ago, and I kept having a bunch of leaks in this tent. I'm like, this is not right. And then I look around and I notice something. One, my tent is leaning over. And two, the rain tarp, the thing that keeps the rain out, is on upside down. So all like the flippity flaps that keep the rain out on the seams was not working because I did not do it right. So I put on my rain jacket and spent about 30 minutes trying to flip it over and get the tent not leaning. It's not a problem with the stakes. Because I had to take the tarp off to do that and it was still raining, everything is wet, including me. But it's okay. So I brought this like towel, this really self-absorbent towel. So now everything's pretty much dry-ish. Just wiped the whole tent down and ringed it out in the vestibule outside, which is right there. Woo, it's coming down. I think flipping it over did help tremendously. Let's see if I survive the night. Having to scream because it's just raining so loud. Ah! I really need to pee. But it's storming. Okay, turns out the soup is edible, so it's a plus. I'm dry now, I'm getting fed warm food, so everything's looking good. It's still raining, and I still need to pee. Alright, here's the stitch. Still pouring down rain, and I'm not wearing my pants because my pants got soaked when I was trying to fix all that. And I don't want to put my wet pants back on, but I think I will because I really need to pee, and my dinner was literally majority liquid because it was soup. I can't just like go out and like pee with my man parts because I'm a lady. I don't have those parts. It's not easy to pee. If I don't go pee, I can get a UTI, and I don't want to get a UTI or any other infection because that's not fun. Like I have dry shorts, but they're my pajama shorts. I don't want to get them wet yet because I want them to be dry for when I'm sleeping. And I just felt the pants I was wearing, and they are soaked to the bone. The bone! They don't even have bones, they're pants! I think the rain is lightening up, so I'm just gonna do it now. Ha ha ha! Maybe if I put on my dry pants and I just run like the wind, I'll be okay. Would it be that bad for me to go without pants on? Just like in my shirt and undies? Yes, it'll be bad. I can't do that. Running to the bathroom and I don't have any pants on. And I'm running to the bathroom and I don't have any pants on. I'm in a shirt and a jacket and some underwear, but I have no pants. No pants. Now, before you go on like judging me for not wearing pants, I will let you know I am the only person here. There's no more staff except the host, but I don't know where they are. I'm the only tent camper here. And the tent site is very small. I'm the only one there. And now it's time to go back outside. This is what happens when I camp alone. Running into my tent. I don't have any pants on it, and I'm running to my tent. I'm so ashamed. Pride and Prejudice again. We love ourselves from Jane Austen. Just enjoying the peacefulness of it now. Alright, it is really starting to get dark now. It is 8:18. I think the sunset is around officially like 8:30. It's gonna start getting really dark soon. I think I'm gonna get ready for bed. Good morning. Well, I just finished breakfast and I just finished doing my dishes. Dish, really. Oh, there's a spoon. And now I'm gonna pack up some of my stuff. And I think since I'm here and the weather has cleared up beautifully, like, oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna strap on my shoes, do the 5-mile loop. I'm in the middle of my hike. I'm about a little over 2 miles in. I'm gonna do about 5 miles today. Just an easy little loop hike around the prairie. I've seen lots of wildlife. It's a little muddy, but I'm in my Chaco, so it's okay. Let's do some water hiking. Anyways, it is a beautiful morning. It's very cloudy, you know, that's keeping the sun away. It's about 75 degrees. It's a nice breeze. Just a beautiful day. Now I'm entering the hammock area. Florida, they're not called forest, they're called hammocks. Yeah. Alright, I'm back on the road. I finished my hike. I'm heading back. It was a very, very wet trip, but I think it was pretty darn successful.